guys. Happy holidays. If you're celebrating Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah. And Merry Christmas to those who celebrate that and everything in between. This year, I have a great giveaway for you. My sponsors have come together and they are giving away their products. Plus, Mina has a really big announcement to make. Stick around till the end. So here they are in no particular order. Gotideal is a craft supply company and they are donating a 30-piece marker set. These are chalk markers and the 30 pack includes both the neon colors and the metallic colors. Now I've demonstrated on this and I'll link all the videos for these products in the description box below so you can take a closer look at each one. These chalk markers are very vibrant. They're easy to clean up. They decorate on all non-porous surfaces, so you can write on glass, you can write on chalkboard, non-porous chalkboards, plastic, metal. So again, the Gotideal company is giving away one free pack.
Mom, can I tell them? Can I tell them?
Not yet, sweetie.
Well, when can I tell them?
When we're finished telling them about their prizes. My next sponsor has been the Craft Ease company. Craft Ease sells diamond paintings and paint by numbers, and the quality of their product is phenomenal. Their glue is poured, their drills are sparkly, and what's wonderful about this company is they partner with the artist. So whenever you buy something from their company, the artist who did the painting is getting a portion of the revenue. You can also order from them diamond paintings that they create from your own photos. So if you have a loved one or a beloved pet and you want to do a diamond painting or a paint by number, they do fantastic work. The Craft Ease company has donated a diamond painting or a paint by number to the lucky winner.
Is it time yet?
Not yet, hon. We still have a little bit more to go.
You didn't tell them about the rules of the contest.
You're right. Can you do it?
So these are the rules. First, you need to be subscribed to our channel because how are you going to find out if you're going to win? Then you give us a like and a comment below so that we can find you later on. The contest begins today. We're going to do the drawing and announcement on New Year's Eve. Okay, Mom, I'm done. You can go tell them more about our sponsors.
It's not Christmas without Elena Lazareva. Now, if you've been on my channel long enough, you know that whenever Elena has a book, I'm always the first in line to show it off. I just love her art. Her line drawing is beautiful, but where she really shines is her grayscales. Now, if you love to do grayscales, you've got to check out Elena. And she's always been very generous with my channel and very supportive. This year, she has donated 3 books. Her Christmas Surprise, Christmas Home, and her Winter Wonderland book. So there'll be 3 people getting this prize. Links to her Etsy shop and her Amazon shop will be in the description box below. If you are a newbie, she is definitely the one to check out.
Mom, I heard you tell Daddy Christmas has been a sucker this year.
Mina, baby doll, how many times have I told you not to be listening in on grown-up conversations?
Mom, I told you. I'm 12 inches big and I live in a glass box. You have to stop having grown-up conversations in front of me. So is Santa not coming this year?
Of course he's coming, sweetie.
Well, isn't he gonna get the Rona?
No, baby doll. We're gonna put his cookies right next to the sink.
Oh.
If you like portraits and you like powerful women, Sensational Wonder Women is the book for you. And that book is by Claudia Marilanda. She is a new coloring book artist, but she hit it right out of the park with her first book, Powerful Ethnic Women. And what I love about her is in the hair of the women, she writes words of inspiration. It's very unique, very cool. And Claudia is donating one of her books to a really lucky winner. If you want to see more of her work or her flip-throughs, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description.
Mom, is that me when I was little?
Mm-hmm.
I was so cute. And my bedroom was pink and flowery. And you got me dolls and toys to play with. And you even dressed me up as a ballerina for Halloween.
You were so cute. My little girl.
Remember that boy that used to live here?
Yes, because when bearded dragons get older, they do like each other.
Well, Mom, I'm big now.
Yes, you are. You grew really quick.
I'm grown up.
Not quite grown up, but yes, you're older.
I can hold my own when it comes to Puff, right?
Yeah, you can.
But Mom,
What?
I have to tell everybody my secret.
Not yet, Mina.
Come on, Ma, please.
No.
Okay.
Now you know it's not going to be my Christmas giveaway without color joining in. They have done such a fantastic job this year. They put out 3 different books. One is Fashion Through the Ages. They have delightful desserts and sweet treats. And their newest one, Goddesses. They're going to be giving away their 2 newest books to 2 really lucky winners. These books are really great quality, hardcover, thick pages, and great tooth. If you really get into their books like I did and you collect them all, every time they come out with a book, it's a different illustrator. And when they have a really popular illustrator, they bring them back. But that's not all they do. They have a great line of craft materials available on their website or on Amazon. For you diamond painting lovers, I have another diamond painting company, and this company is a channel sponsor of mine, and they are gbfke.com. If you want a selection of diamond paintings, this is the place to go, and the prices are fantastic. My father will do 5 to 7 of them a month. I have them hanging up all over my house, and these are just the ones that he did just in the month of November. Their quality is great, their colors are vibrant, their drills are sparkly, and they're giving away today a painting of your choice to 1 really lucky winner. The last of my giveaways is my own product, and I'm giving 2 lucky people the comprehensive color blending system. A lot of you are already taking the course and you already have it. So what I'm going to do is, if you are one of the lucky winners, you will have your choice of any course, and this is going to include the course that's coming up in January that nobody knows about yet. You'll have your choice of the beginning course, the Comprehensive Blending Course, Intermediate Volume 1, and the newest one, Comprehensive Blending Intermediate Flowers. That will be in my Etsy shop in January. So if you're the winner, you get your choice.
Can I tell them now?
Yes, Mina, you can tell them now.
I'm not a girl, I'm a boy.
And that explains a lot. The aggressiveness, the fact that Puff and Mina do not get along. Males don't get along with each other ever. They're very territorial. So maybe in the spring we'll adopt an older girl or go to a private breeder where they can sex them when they're really, really young. So this brings our holiday video to a conclusion. If you want to be entered into the contest, make a comment below and maybe try to think of a new name for Mina. Take care. Bye-bye.